Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make these origami hearts. So only thing you need is a square piece of paper. It can have a pattern, it doesn't have to, but if it does have a pattern, make sure you start with it pattern side down. The first thing we're going to do is fold this paper in half to make a rectangle. And doing this is going to create a guideline for future steps. So we're going to go ahead and do that twice. And you can see when I open it back up, there's two guidelines right here. So next, we're going to create a smaller rectangle by folding up and following the midway guideline that we just folded. Okay. So it's going to look something like this, okay? And now we're going to fold it, we're going to flip it over so it's pattern side up, okay? And when we do that, the next step, we're going to fold these flaps inwards to create triangles, again, following this midway line. We're going to go ahead and do that on both sides. So now it's going to look a little bit like an airplane. And then we're going to flip it over again, pattern side down, and fold this side inside as well. So following the midway line here, we're going to fold these inwards. Like this. Okay, so now it looks like this. It's sort of like a square on top and a triangle on the bottom. And we're gonna fold these inward like triangles. So you can see the triangle right here. We're gonna do that on this side as well. Okay, so it's gonna look a bit like a diamond now. Now that it's in this shape, we can fold the entire thing in half. And when you do that, you're going to start seeing these flaps stick up. Go ahead and let that happen. Don't fold them down. Okay, we're going to need those later. So you're going to leave these flaps sticking up. That's totally fine. Now that it's folded in half, you're going to see, if you open back up, this little pocket right here. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and tuck this fold into that pocket. So that secures this fold so nothing else has to hold it down. Okay, so now that step is done, we can go back to these flaps, okay? So these flaps are going to create the top of the heart. So we're going to go ahead and fold them down into a triangle, which you can see right here. So we're going to fold it into this triangle. Sometimes this helps to stick your finger in there. Okay, so now it looks like this. You can start to see that it's taken a heart shape, but we still have to finish the top of the heart. So to do that, we're going to fold these inwards as triangles as well. Okay. So you can see it looks really close to heart. We're almost done. The last step is making sure that the heart isn't too pointy and folding them down, the tops of it down, okay, following this line right here. And you have a heart.